Unlock your fitness potential. Steer clear of these top 6 common gym mistakes. Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to unlock your fitness potential and navigate away from common gym mistakes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, it's essential to avoid these crucial pitfalls in your gym journey. Let's dive in. 1. Overdoing it. The beauty of strength training is that it can be done at any level. So don't be afraid to step up your workouts or add more reps and sets. However, going too hard can lead to injuries and burnout. Find a balance that makes you feel good and see progress. 2. Leaving it too late. Consistency is key when it comes to fitness. Don't wait until the last minute to hit the gym. Incorporate exercise into your daily routine, even if it's just a 10-minute walk or a quick workout at home. This will help build muscle and increase your metabolism. 3. Going too fast. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a strong physique. It takes time and consistent effort to see results. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate changes. Progress is often slow, but consistent training will lead to significant results in the long run. 4. Not warming up. Warm-ups are an essential part of any workout session. They help prevent injuries and prepare your body for the workout ahead. Make sure to spend at least a few minutes warming up before you start lifting weights or engaging in other intense activities. 5. Feeling sore. While it's normal to feel sore after a workout, excessive soreness could be a sign of injury. If you notice persistent or severe soreness, take a break or consult a healthcare professional before continuing with your workout routine. 6. Not diversifying. Strength training is only one part of a well-rounded fitness routine. Incorporate other activities like cardio, flexibility work, and stretching to maximize your overall health and well-being. This will help prevent boredom and keep you motivated. In conclusion, remember that progress takes time and dedication. By avoiding these common gym mistakes, you can unlock your fitness potential and create a sustainable fitness routine that supports your long-term health and well-being. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey.